Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transport Sportline 2.0 TDI 204 PS, and it currently has around 82 miles with one previous owner. It comes painted in the stunning Ravenna blue metallic finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detail that's on the front and the rear of the vehicle. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding wing mirrors do fold when unlocked. And here are our stunning Sportline alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to the loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed fan filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, giving you and your passengers a relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on their correct times, alongside remote controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. And once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst we're in the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing you to maintain a safe and steady speed while driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our app connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and we can also show the smart cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use. And with this van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and cameras ensure safety, especially when maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be tight. Over to our climate controls, we have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heat seats with 3 different levels of heat to choose from, offering you that cosy driving experience. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.